Nikon is one of the leading camera brands, offering top-notch cameras for photographers and videographers of all levels. Whether you're a professional looking for a high-performance camera or seeking a compact camera, in this video, we'll see the top 5 best Nikon cameras based on features, image quality, and overall performance. All links are given in description. Number 5. Nikon Z50 Mark II. The Nikon Z50 Mark II is best Nikon APS-C mirrorless cameras, perfect for beginners and content creators looking for a compact yet powerful device. It features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with Nikon's latest X-Speed 7 processor, delivering sharp images, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. For photographers, the Z50 Mark II offers fast and accurate autofocus with improved subject tracking, making it ideal for portraits, street photography, and action shots. With 11 frames per second burst shooting, you can capture fast-moving subjects effortlessly. The dual UHS 2-card slots provide extra storage reliability. For videographers and vloggers, this camera shines with 4K 30p video recording with no crop, a fully articulating touchscreen, and enhanced eye and face detection AF, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. The Nikon Z50 Mark II is a versatile, affordable, and well-balanced camera, making it a top choice for beginners and intermediate photographers who want excellent photo and video capabilities in a portable package. Top reasons to buy: Nikon Z50 Mark II, compact and powerful, lightweight design with a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and X-Speed 7 processor, delivering excellent image quality and fast performance. Great for video and vlogging. Features 4K 30p with no crop, a fully articulating touchscreen, and improved eye tracking AF make it perfect for content creators. Advanced fast autofocus and burst shooting with subject detection and 11 frames per second. Continuous shooting ensures sharp and dynamic shots for action, wildlife, and portraits. Number 4. Nikon Z7 Mark II. The Nikon Z7 Mark II is one of the best full-frame mirrorless cameras, offering exceptional image quality, high resolution, and professional-level performance. With a 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and dual X-Speed 6 processors, it delivers stunning detail, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range, making it perfect for landscape, portrait, and studio photography. Its 493-point hybrid autofocus system ensures sharp and fast subject tracking, even in low light. The enhanced eye and animal detection AF makes it great for portrait and wildlife photography. For videographers, the Z7 Mark II offers 4K 60p video, 10-bit N-Log, and RAW video output, making it a strong choice for professional video production. With its high-resolution sensor, fast performance, and advanced features, the Nikon Z7 Mark II is the perfect camera for professionals and enthusiasts who want top-tier image quality and versatility in a mirrorless body. Top reasons to buy: Nikon Z7 Mark II, high-resolution image, quality of 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivers stunning detail, dynamic range, and sharpness, fast and reliable. Autofocus with 493-point hybrid AF with eye and animal detection. Professional video and build features 4K 60p video, dual card slots, and weather-sealed body, making it a great choice for both photographers and videographers. Number 3. Nikon Z6 Mark III. The Nikon Z6 Mark III is a standout full-frame mirrorless camera, offering a compelling blend of performance, versatility, and advanced features. Equipped with a 24.5 megapixel partially stacked full-frame sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with impressive dynamic range. One of its notable advancements is the enhanced autofocus system, which provides rapid and accurate subject tracking, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects in various shooting scenarios. For videographers, the Z6 Mark III excels with 6K 60p RAW video recording capabilities, offering high-quality footage suitable for professional projects. The camera's design includes a robust grip and customizable controls, ensuring a comfortable and intuitive user experience. With continuous shooting speeds of up to 14 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter, the Z6 Mark III is well suited for action photography. In conclusion, the Nikon Z6 Mark III stands out as a top-tier hybrid camera, delivering exceptional performance for both photographers and videographers seeking a versatile and high-quality imaging tool. Top reasons to buy Nikon Z6 Mark III. Next-gen sensor and speed of 24.5 megapixels, partially stacked sensor with Expeed 7 processor for superior image quality, pro-grade video features 6K 60p RAW and 4K 120p recording, plus N-Log and 10-bit internal recording, making it ideal for filmmakers. Advanced autofocus and EVF, AI-powered subject detection AF. Number 2, Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is the ultimate professional mirrorless camera, delivering exceptional speed, resolution, and video capabilities. Featuring a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Expeed 7 processor, it provides unparalleled image quality, incredible detail, and outstanding dynamic range. With a blazing fast 120 frames per second burst mode and 20 frames per second raw shooting, the Z9 is perfect for sports, wildlife, and action photography. Its advanced 493-point autofocus system includes real-time subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring precise focus even in challenging conditions. For videographers, the Z9 records 8K 60p RAW and 4K 120p video internally, making it a true cinema-grade camera. Plus, its fanless design allows for extended recording without overheating. The rugged, weather-sealed body and no mechanical shutter enhance durability, making it a reliable tool for professionals in any environment. With dual CFX press slots, 5-axis IBIS, and a 4-way tilting touchscreen, the Nikon Z9 is a powerhouse for photographers and filmmakers who demand the best performance, speed, and image quality in a mirrorless camera. Top reasons to buy Nikon Z9. Ultimate speed and autofocus. Features 120 frames per second burst shooting and 493-point AI-driven autofocus with pro-grade video capabilities of 8K 60p and 4K 120p recording, with internal ProRes RAW and N-Log support for cinematic quality footage. Durable, shutterless design with no mechanical shutter. Rugged weather sealing. Number 1. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is one of the best mirrorless cameras, offering flagship-level performance in a compact body. With a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Expeed 7 processor, it delivers incredible image quality, rich colors, and outstanding dynamic range, making it ideal for landscapes, portraits, and action photography. The 493-point autofocus system features real-time subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring fast and accurate focusing. Its 20 FPS RAW and 120 FPS JPEG burst shooting make it a powerhouse for wildlife and sports photography. For videographers, the Z8 offers 8K 60p and 4K 120p video recording with internal ProRes RAW and N-Log support, delivering cinema-quality footage without external recorders. Its high-resolution EVF, 4-axis tilting screen, and dual SD card slots enhance usability. With Z9-level performance at a lower price, the Nikon Z8 is the best choice for photographers and filmmakers who want a compact, high-performance camera without compromises. Top reasons to buy Nikon Z8, flagship performance in a compact body with 45.7 megapixel stacked sensor, 20 frames per second raw burst, and Z9 level autofocus in a smaller, lighter design. Pro quality video features 8K 60p and 4K 120p recording with internal ProRes RAW and N-Log, perfect for filmmakers. Versatile and durable with dual card slots, 4-axis tilting screen, and weather sealing, making it ideal for both photography and video in any environment. If you're looking camera according to brand preference, check out this video.